sticks, move the film. Nigga got it like who did it? To the P.I. mind your business. Gang say got new looks, I'm with it. Man, if I think it's on track.
Good morning, guys. Give me a second. Where's my picture? Hey, what is up, guys? It's Luke. Hope you guys are doing good. I don't know if you guys can hear me well. Oh, if not, say if yes. Yeah, you can hear me well. Uh, Hold on. So we hit our target. I think everybody in the Discord about a target along, and we just hit target. Let me just ping everybody. And the market is dumping. All right, guys. So everybody who's in our Discord just got a nice trade for about 50 points, hit TP and reversed exactly. So let's go ahead and share our screen because I want to kind of smack a short. Join our Discord, guys. Shisha traders. That's it. So I am looking to actually smack shorts and see if we can go to previous daily high. But I want to see if we keep this first presentation here. All right, I'm smacking 5 micros here. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that's a lot. We need to de-risk, guys. We need to definitely de-risk. That's a lot. Hold on. So we're going to take 2 off, okay? So we're going to do 2 micros. All right, taking 2 off here, guys, at break even. I'm going to let 2 run, okay? So because this is $500. I'm not risking $500. Hell no. So we just took 2 partials for $22. Even though it's going in our favor, I wish I didn't close, blah, blah, blah. No, that's a shit trader's mindset. Stick to what you think is. Look, we should have been up like 500 right now. And beautiful drop, guys, beautiful. We're looking to make about $200 and pretty much, yeah, we go up 250. That's all we needed, guys. That's all we fucking need. I'm taking, we should close fully here, to be honest with you. We should fully close here. Let's see if we can get 300. I would close 2 here, guys. And I would let 1 more run. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go, guys. I need W's in the chat right fucking now. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's go. We did this with 5 micro. This should have been a $750 trade. Almost 100 points. Now let's see for our stop loss, where we put our stop loss. So for our stop loss, we can trail it. Pretty much just above the equilibrium from this swing high to this swing low. Pretty much exactly there, which is pretty much a targetable area. I want to keep it here at the midpoint of this FVG because if we're bearish, really bearish, we shouldn't even touch the midpoint of this FVG. Not even a wick. This one can because this is the discount of this whole fractal. As you can see, this is allowed to come back here. It's allowed to touch equilibrium, but I don't really want it to touch this. So let's see if we can go to our maximum target. How much did we secure? 158, 200. Beautiful trade, bro. Beautiful, 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 guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 more here. And I'm going to keep my stop loss for $50 at the risk. I'm going to let the rest run, okay? So pretty much I want to put it at break even, but break even is pretty much the equilibrium. So I don't really want to do that. Instead of running with 1 micro and hoping to make it extra, like, I don't know, $30, I'd rather risk that $30, you know? Keep it up here. If we're correct, it should start flushing around here, all right? Otherwise, if it touches this, I'm not too bearish anymore. It's at equilibrium right now. Let's see if OTE, maybe it might touch OTE. OTE is pretty much as our TP, our stop loss, which is not good. Keep it like this. You guys don't have to do what I just did. I'm just anticipating that it's going to retrace to equilibrium. That's why I added, and pretty much our entry is now at the equilibrium, and we're getting that nice flush down now. I want this flush to sustain. I don't want this high to be taken out anymore. I'm moving my stop loss a little bit to here to just only $50. I'm going to go on a 5-second chart because I want to see if any PD areas are getting broken. pretty much there's nothing here. So it's probably gonna likely stop us out. There's nothing here that's gonna stop the market from going up. So it's gonna probably up 62 and drop. Hopefully it doesn't. All right, so there we go. Let's see if we can actually, without stopping us, it may touch 62 and then drop flush. So if you want, you can risk a little bit more. I'm not too intended. We had almost a 200, 250 tick trade, single direction, beautiful. We get nice flushes. If we invest this 5-second FVG, that would be great. We're still holding a 5-second FVG, guys. This is not good. Nothing here. Oh, we just manipulated this high, beautiful, beautiful dump, beautiful dump, beautiful dump. That gives me more of a chance. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more, and I'm gonna move my stop loss to this high. Doubled my risk, but now my profit's gonna be almost quadrupled. And let's see if we just can make beautiful. Stop loss goes to break even. And we can take off to here. Keep stop loss around 30 bucks. We secured 2 partials right now. I know it's being fast, guys, but it's all optional. Everything I'm doing from here on is optional, okay? You guys can close, you can hold, doesn't matter. Our risk, majority of our position has been taken out. These are extra trades that I'm willing to bank on if it gives me the chance. If it doesn't, I'm risking 28 bucks, all right? We are already up pretty much 200 something and 100 unrealized. So we're up 300 on the day right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take 1 more partial off here. I'm gonna keep 2 micros running. For an extra another 30 bucks. These 30 bucks add on. 3 partials of 30 bucks is 100 bucks. With the bulk of the position taken out, that's 200, that's 300 unrealized profit. And we can run and see if we can crap the whole thing there. At this moment, we go to break even. The reason I'm not putting it at break even is because I can't see the money, but you guys should put it on break even. Or you can actually do this on no overlap position so you can see. But pretty much, that's all we're doing right now. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. 100. We're up 100. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't like this. Yeah. Confusing as fuck. Let me go ahead and screenshot this. Stop loss is at break even. We'll see if we can go to previous daily high, Monday high, and previous weekly high. That's our current target for the day. Stop loss can go essentially to this high. We just OTE back into this swing high, swing low, OTE, equilibrium, touch OTE, flushing down, beautiful. This means that this high should be protected. 0.79 is our mental stop loss. We're up 100 realized. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Trail, 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 trail. No, 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 go back up. Put it above this order block right here. This whole thing should be an order block. And we just shouldn't even come back to the midpoint of it right here. This is the midpoint of it. Equilibrium is right here. So it should touch either of these 2 levels. This right here or this. And it should start flushing. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and close fully here. Gonna fully close out right here, guys. There we go, hit TP anyway. Hit TP, hit TP, beautiful, beautiful. I need W's in the chat right now. Oh, you guys can't even see my face. That's so bad. You guys couldn't even see me. Guys, I need W's in the chat. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. We shorted literally the top, guys. We literally shorted the top. We literally shorted the top. 94 points on the day. 94 points on the day, ladies and gentlemen. I took this trade on paper exactly. The reason why is because I am already up 1,500 on my funded accounts. So you can see I have this account I'm up 1K on, and I have this account that I'm up 700 bucks on. So I'm not pushing myself. Just because I'm streaming doesn't mean I want to continue trading. So I go on the paper and I'll take the exact same trade. This would have been a trade that we would have taken if I didn't make any money earlier. Beautiful, guys. Fucking beautiful. Awesome. Awesome. 170, 200, We're about $450 on the day, guys. $450 on the day. I was too late to, but took some off it. Nice one, Jonathan, brother. It was pretty fast. It was pretty fast, and I had to scalp an extra. Like we took the majority of the position off, but when I saw that it's exactly one thing, it's going to where I think it's drawing towards. On the retracement at equilibrium, at the OTE, I re-added these contracts. It went back down. I took them all back off. I didn't hold just because I added contract. Doesn't mean, my TP is there. So if I add 10 more contracts, I'm going to take all of them there. No, that's a rookie mistake every trader makes. I used to make for years. Now I'm trying not to do that. And yeah, so we did it in front of you guys. So that you can see that it's actually not bad. If we held our 5 micros originally, we would have paid $750. What did I do at the start? I was like, no, this is too much stress. I wanted $200. At the start, I was risking $500, like 196 something. So I was like, okay, let's take 2 off. Let's use 3. Let's just use 3 micros. And with that 3 micros, we were able to catch $450. So we only missed out on $200 something. Was that worth it? Oh yeah, we made $450 just in 200 instead of trying to make $750 just in 500. And the odds were pretty much against our favor at the start, even though it was rapidly dropping. That could have been just a Judas swing off the AM session, and that's a very typical move they do. But yeah, what made me hold towards the previous daily high is the fact that we didn't even retest the fast presentation. But I'm on the 5 second. So this is the first presentation. We retested. We retested it, and it started dropping. It formed another block. All the stuff we were not able to see because we were on the micro time frames. But it was only because I couldn't see any structure. Remember what I was telling you guys? We have a high. We this high manipulated this high at equilibrium. So even though there's no PD arrays, I was like, okay, this is a manipulating high. So this should be your breaker block. This is your breaker block. Came back into it, retested into it, and still failing to come back to the equilibrium of this breaker block. Still failing to come back to the equilibrium of this FVG, which was pretty much our stop loss. Failed to come back to the midpoint of this FVG. Failed to come back to the midpoint of this FVG. We got an immediate rebalance here, and eventually it started going down. Another immediate rebalance right there. Here it came back and retested the midpoint of this FVG. So what did I tell you earlier? If it's very bearish, very heavy, it's gonna run without touching the midpoint. If it touches the midpoint, it's gonna stall a bit. So this is here where people are like, oh, this is the low, guys. This is the low, blah, blah, blah. It's not really the low, okay? It just tapped it once, twice before smacking all the way down. Now you can see here that it still didn't touch the midpoint of this FVG, still didn't touch the midpoint of this FVG. That means it still has room to run, maybe to this NDOG. So NDOG is pretty much our target. I'm ping everybody on Discord. Actually, fuck it, enough. So I pinged everybody in the Discord for a trade for about 50 points, and we just took this live in front of you guys for about 94 points. We can make sure, because I don't like lying. I want to see how much we actually take. So we took here. This was our entry at the FP. And we took fully off at previous daily high. So, all right, guys, I'm sorry. I lied. It's 86 points. Not really 94 points. I lied about 7 points. But this is the draw, guys. 526 is the draw. 526, 526, 526, 526. I will not be participating in this because the accumulation below the previous daily high and the previous weekly high means this is potential reversal. But I would love it if it could just smack this, accumulate here, and then flush. If it starts flushing back up, it's going to probably come back and take out all these highs, because it does look like a nice market maker model. If I do go on the 1 minute, you can see we have original consolidation, first stage, second stage, smart money reversal inside this Monday high daily opens, midpoint of this NDOG and this first presentation on the 1 minute, and then continue, and then essentially continue going back up. Especially this is on a high time frame. We took the low, the session low of London, session low of Asia. So we keep the low of liquidity. And if you check on the higher time frame, like a 5 minute, I know 5 minutes is not really a higher time frame, but let me just delete everything. You can see pretty much that we just came back to OTE of this whole fractal, right? Equilibrium at equilibrium right now. OTE is just here. So what's at OTE? We got this first presentation. from yesterday, and we got daily open and Monday open. So this here is a great opportunity if the people are looking for longs. This here would be a great opportunity to accumulate longs to go back up, taking out the original consolidation. So AMD kind of accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but I'm looking at it as a original consolidation of a market maker model. Manipulation drops, returns back into the original consolidation, first stage, second stage, the second stage, big moves happen after the second stage, smart money reversal somewhere around the OTE of this 5 minute, and then eventually probably come back up in the later time of the day to take out the original consolidation. It did. Thank you very much for observing my masterpiece of a drawing, but I'm a trader, I'm a doctor, I am not an artist, I'm not a guru. I don't want to make things look simple. I'm just showing you guys what I think it is. It's not my job. Whew. Oh, you guys can't really see my face is here. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. All right, that's better. But yeah, you guys got the idea, kind of. All right. So yeah, now we started with the day very good. We can come back to Discord. In Discord, I think Silent will stream the rest of the session, and I'll be probably streaming the PM session. All right. So so annoying. Something came across my mind now. It just pisses me off. Anyway, guys, so let's go to Discord, all right? Jonathan, RPG, Faction, whoever's in here. The Discord is right here at the top. I don't know if you guys can see it. Discord.gg Shisha Traders. We're trading there 24/7. We're going to be there now. So I'm keeping this stream very short because there's nothing else to do. We made our money. We're done. Okay? Keep it simple. See you guys in there. Peace.
Like who did it? Tell the PI my business. They say got new looks, I'm with it.